Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. So we have been designing this budget tracker application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript in the previous videos. Now in this video we will add this to our Blogger website, and I will leave the link of the source code in the description of this video so you can just copy and paste the code to your websites. So let's get started. Right, here I have logged into my Blogger dashboard, and we can add this to a page or a post. So if you want to add it into a page, you can just go over here to pages and click on new page and then add the code over there. But I'll just go over here to posts and let's click on new post, and let's add our code inside a post. So I just set the title to budget tracker, and the first thing you need to do is change this into the HTML view. So click on this button and click on HTML view. Now here you can add your HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So first of all, let's add our CSS. I'll just create a style tag for that. And let's go to our source code and let's copy the CSS from here. So here we have the style.css file. I'll just copy everything from here. I'll just skip the styles of the body and this asterisk selector because it will affect everything inside our theme. So I'll just copy this root. Let's paste it over here, and let's copy everything after the body. So from here till the end. And let's paste it over here. And now let's go ahead and add our HTML. So let's go to our index.html file and let's copy our app container division from here. And let's paste it right here. Right now let's go ahead and paste our JavaScript. So let's create a script tag for that. And let's go to our source code. Let's go to the main.js file. Let's copy all this JavaScript from here and paste it right here. Now if we take a look at this, we can see that we have the HTML over here, and you can change the heading and all these things to whatever you need. And if you scroll down here, we have the JavaScript code, so you can make changes to all these things over here. So here we can see we have an alert. You can change these to your needs, and you can also change the color of this balance. So for example, if we have a negative balance, let's add an expense which will make it negative. Now let's click on add transaction. Now we can see that it has this red color for the balance. So in this way you can change the colors of the balance text over here. So it is right here. Right, once you have made all the changes, you can just go ahead and click on publish and confirm. And here we can see our post is published. So let's click on the view button. And here we can see our budget tracker app is being displayed over here. Let's add a transaction. I'll just add an income. Let's type salary, and let's add an income over here. Let's click on add transaction, and we can see that the transaction is added over here. But we have some problems in our styling, so we'll fix that as well. Let's add an expense and let's see how it looks. So let's type rent. Let's add an amount over here, and let's select expense over here, and let's click on add transaction. And now we can see that the balance was updated, and we also have the transaction history displayed over here. And if I reload this page, the data still remains because we are storing this inside a local storage of the browser. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what is the problem with this text. So let's right click over here and go to inspect. And here we have our text, and let's increase the width a little bit. And now let's scroll down to the CSS and let's see what's the issue. So here we have a line height added to the post body by default along with the theme. So if I remove that, we have the correct styling. So let's see what's the line height we need. So I'll just type 1.5 or let's type 1.2, and I think 1.2 looks alright. So let's target this text. So if we take a look at this, here we can see that we have this ID of balance. So let's go back to our post. Let's go to the CSS and let's go to the balance, and here let's add a line height and let's set it to 1.2, and let's update this. Let's go back and reload this page, and now we can see that it looks alright. We also need to change the line height of this heading. So I'll just go ahead and set the line height to the whole app container. So here let's type line height. Let's set it to 1.2, and let's update. Let's go back over here and reload. And now we can see that it looks alright. So let's take a look at the mobile version, and this is how it looks on smaller screens. So everything looks alright. So that's basically how you can add this budget tracker to your Blogger website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.